Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today this is day 4 of me opening up 3 boxes of the Disney Pixar Oscars 100th anniversary Disney 100. Yeah, it's a mouthful. Yeah, this is day 4 since of me starting again, and I do have a new box to open soon. If I have time, I'll show it to you at the end of me opening these guys. It is called Coco Wow Disney Mickey and Friends. It's really like a old school retro style type feel cards. They're really nice. I bought a bunch of cards. I got them super cheap, so I decided, what the heck? Might as well open them up on my channel. First box, we do not have a wiener. Get rid of that. But yeah, let me show it to you real fast. Anything back there? Nope. This is the box I'm talking about. So hopefully you guys will be interested in seeing what's in these guys. I already have a few of them listed already, so if you want to buy a box and open them with me, feel free. Get out of there. I'm just going to dump them out now. 2 boxes. No winner. Come on. We got to get a winner. Pull winner. Come on, winner. No. 3 in a row. No winner. But hey, we've pulled really good cards. We got that guy out of the no winner box, and we got the really nice buzz out of there. We got a low numbered buzz, so we can't complain. So hopefully we get another really nice card out of this pull. Let me straighten this up a little bit. I don't mind being messy, but that's going over the top, right? Alright, let's get into this. We have a Jesse and a Lotso. Hopefully we get another gold nice card, and low numbered, hopefully. We have a Brave movie quote. It says, "Our fate lives within us. You only have to be brave enough to see it." A really nice Brave card. If you're interested in purchasing any of these, I have them on my website, plushgamesandmore.com. We have a Wall-E movie quote. "I don't want to survive, I want to live." Bob Parr and Miguel. Helen Parr and a Bing Bong. If you want to just buy some packs, I do have some packs. We have a Buzz and an Aliens. Actually, there were packs though. I was giving away in the giveaway, so I have them. I just listed them. Bob and a Wall-E. So you can pull a gold card. You can pull whatever you want. There we go again. Nice. No winner, but we get a winner. We are so lucky. We have a Wall-E. Let me get rid of that card. We have a Wall-E. What is it? 57 out of 199. Nice. Let me put him down. Try not to put any more fingerprints that I already did on him. But yeah, that is super lucky. Come on. We can pull another one. Let's try to get 2 of them. Oh, this one seems like it's stuck. But yeah, that is super lucky. Pulling another gold out of a non-winner box. Well, the winners are usually red cards and up. It goes gold, red, black. I don't know what the other color is because those are the one-of-ones. And then they have like there's like a Hall of Fame card, a metal card, And I forget what the name of it, the other card is, but it's like double the thickness. It's like 2 cards like this. It's really thick, and those are 50 out of 50. So yeah, they're really nice limited edition cards in this set. That's why I really liked it, because when you pull a card, it's really worth something. It's not like, I don't know, Pokemon or something where it's like you get 500 or 5,000 of one card and something. This is just 1 of 1 or 100 out of 100. And the gold cards are $1.99, so really limited. And the sets, there was only 2,000 cases, so not going to be any more. You can't. It's not like, I hate to keep bragging on Pokemon, but it's not like Pokemon where they can just reprint them again. These sets are done, and the numbers are done. I mean, they'll probably have part 2, another Oscars. I don't know when, but the value will be there because you have a numbered card. Got that, and we got a Slinky Dog. I'm really making a mess over here. Got a Joe and a Rex. You guys can't see it because it's off camera, but it's really messy. Oh, we have another movie quote. It says, if you sit on the shelf for the rest of your life, you'll never find out. I don't know what I'm supposed to find out, but alright. Don't sit on the shelf, guys. Got a 3D lenticular. And a Forky. Come on, another gold card. Get rid of that. I have to do a video of showing the rarities of these cards because they're really, really rare and really sweet. That's why I like them. I mean, even the boxes alone, there's only 36,000 of the outside boxes. There's only 2,000 cases made, so. Got a Ham and a Carl. So everything is limited in this set. Come on, open. Open says me. I am going to open you. Got a Forky and a Slinky Dog. A Jetsy and a Lotso. I don't know why I said Jetsy. We have a Jetsy. We have a Nemo and Dory. Really nice lenticulars. They went with the 3-way instead of the 2-way that normal companies do. A Dory and a Mrs. Potato Head. Alright, let's find out what's in the good cards. Let's go. Here we go. We have a film cell of Soul. Sweet. What else do we have? Come on, something good. Oh, here we go. We have a Woody on Bullseye. Really nice. Really nice card right there. It's a 3D card. Here, let me show you how thick this card is. So we have a few minutes left. Look at this. Look at the thickness of this card. It's like 3 or 4 cards together, and you can see just how well made these cards are. That's why I really love them. Alright, shove it back in there. And last but not least, let's see. Oh, we got another Bob Parr. I think I get one every single video. That seems kind of like a smudge on the encased card, but oh well. What are you gonna do? I'll just clean it up. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. And don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.